welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to Candalla Falls. It's in Camaiore and they have waterfalls and we're gonna go check it out. Bye.
So we're walking past the restaurant on the left. A lot of my friends tell me this is a famous restaurant, but it doesn't seem to be open right now.
There's water.
Oh, cool. Oh, there's water.
Yeah.
We were a little worried because of the drought. There'd be no water. So far, so good. Look at the little kitty cat. Actually, it looks like an old cat. Hey, kitty, kitty. Hey, kitty. Oh, sorry. Sorry, cat. I'm allergic to you. Ciao. Okay, we're here. So, to the left, there's pathways up to some pools, and down here, there's a big pool. Last time it was way deeper. Remember last time we jumped off this rock right here? So last time we came here, where these flip-flops are right here, we could jump off into the water, right? Oh yeah, and you can see sometimes people will jump off the top of the roof up there. Okay, so now we're walking on a trail that's above the waterfall, the known Candalla Falls. So you can walk above it, and there's some old ancient buildings up here, and also some little smaller pools you can go into, kind of away from the crowd. So we haven't been here in 2 years, so we're hoping everything's the same. Okay, so we took about a 10-minute hike up the hill, and we made it to like some little pools and stuff down here. Also, in the past, we've seen people rock climb this right here. It's pretty crazy. But so now we're going to take this path down to the pools.
Can I go?
Yeah, go ahead. But be careful. Do you want me to go first?
No.
Okay.
So we walked down the path and we found a pool over there and some little ponds over here, and we're gonna go check them out.
Okay, so we made it down to the little pool that we're gonna go swimming in. I don't know, it's probably 3 or 4 feet deep. You can see this goes all the way down. Bunch of little streams. Where are you going, Vado?
I can't.
It's too cold.
Yeah,
Help me up. Help me up.
Are you getting this on video?
It hurts.
You know.
So, Sienna, how was it?
Okay, Bella, you want to go?
Are you ready to go home?
Yeah, I'm ready to go home. Are you ready?
Okay, so we made it down to this smaller pool, down from the bigger pool. In the corner there, it's probably about 4.5, 5 feet deep. I jumped off that rock right there, but you can see there's people hanging out on rocks, people having lunch. Lately, it's been about 40 degrees in Tuscany. So up here in the mountains, it's probably only 28 degrees, and it's got some nice shade, cool water. Pretty much out in the wilderness.
We had a really fun day at Candalla Falls, and if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Ciao!